Good morning everybody, it's Tuesday morning. It's a very rainy morning, but actually it's quite nice. It's sort of light rain. I don't feel too wet. I started this morning. I was a bit frustrated actually because I was trying to renew my parking permit for where I stay, and it said online. I couldn't get online. I've been doing it for a while, and she's just having a wee pee, sorry Darcy. So I called in to see my son and my daughter, but they're really busy, and my daughter's saying she did it fine online. So I thought, right, really need to crack this. So I went back, sat in the car, looked at my mobile phone, and I thought, right, we'll try this. And lo and behold, I managed it. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that's it done. And apparently the council isn't working just now, there's nobody in, so you've got to wait on them phoning you back, and then they take payment. Anyway, so I thought, right, I can now relax. So today I've come up to a different park. It's called Dawsholm Park, and there's lots of wee nooks and crannies, kind of wee lanes and things here. Look at this. It almost looked like a tiny bear or some kind of animal. It's just a tree trunk. But just listen, there's really only raindrops. Now I'm not sure of this park, so I did meet a couple and I said, where do all these little lanes and things or pathways take me? And they said that lots of them really just go round in a circle, round beyond the vet college in Glasgow. So I'm in a different part of Glasgow today, but very, very countryside, wooded. Just no traffic sounds really at all. So it's the ideal place just to calm down. So going from getting very frustrated this morning, needed to use my techniques. What are my techniques? My ABC. So I just affirmed, all is well. Took a deep breath in through the nose. Hold, and then exhale through the mouth. Remember, it's the deep breathing. And then I just used my creative imagination. I just imagined that my permit form had arrived on the proper desk, and I'll get a call later. And now I'm here, I'm just going to affirm that again, all is well. It's beautiful here, very quiet. And as you all know by now, I just love trees. Just leaning against this lovely big trunk of this strong tree. And Darcy's just having a wee wander today. A different place, different smells. I don't have Floyd today, so she's just wandering about on her own. Nice piece of branch. The branch has fallen off, but it's got quite a nice, almost architectural art to it. Oh look what I see. Somebody's put up a little bird nest. I hope if you're having a stressful day that this is giving you some sense of peace, relaxing you. I think I'll go up this little path. There's another path up that way. I don't know if you remember, I did a MindBite meditation, and it was following a path. You had to go along the woodland path. You came to a crossroads and you had to decide which path to take. So I just stood for a minute there. I just thought, right, what path will I take? So I'm taking the left path up into another area of woodland. Darcy heard something there. Oh, she hears something. I wonder what it is. Oh, I think it's people walking up another path with some doggies. What was it, Darcy? What was it? Who is it? Right, I think this path is taking me up to a wider path, which then takes me up, I think, near the vet college. Apparently I was told by this gentleman that it's kind of difficult to get lost because all these paths go round in a circle. So there's a path down there, there's a path there, and then there's a bigger path up here. And this is the pathway we've just come up. Darcy! Oh, she's behind me. There we are, Darcy. She's going to let me know which path to take. I hope we've enjoyed just this little quiet time in one of the park areas of Glasgow. It's a bit wilder than the rest, but it's beautiful. So I'm going to sign off just now, and just remember my ABC. A, this is a fantastic day. B, the deep breathing. Breathe in through the nose. Hold, and then exhale through the mouth. And then use your creative imagination. Just close your eyes and take you anywhere you would like to be. If you can't manage that, then you might just want to use this short video. Just watch it and take yourself into among the trees. Okay, have a fabulous day, and remember to smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. And virtual hugs to you all, and I'll come back again this week sometime. Bye.